Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Oracle Cloud Compute instances with boot volume backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Oracle Cloud Compute instances with boot volume backups, begin by logging into the Oracle Cloud Console. Navigate to the menu and select Compute. From the drop-down, choose Instances to view your existing compute instances. Identify the instance you want to backup and click on its name to open its details page. Once on the instance details page, locate the section labeled Boot Volume. Click on the link to the boot volume associated with the select. In the boot volume details, look for the option labeled Create Backup. Click on Create Backup to start the backup process. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for the backup. Input a descriptive name that helps you identify the backup later. You may also choose to add an optional description for additional context. Select the backup type based on your needs, such as full or incremental. After filling in the necessary fields, click on the Create Backup. The backup process will initiate, and you can monitor its progress within the console. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Navigate back to the boot volume section to see your newly created backup listed. To ensure everything worked correctly, select the backup and review its details. Take note of the backup status to confirm it completed successfully. With the backup in place, you have successfully created a safeguard for your Oracle Cloud Compute instance. You can now manage and restore from this backup whenever necessary. This concludes the guide on backing up Oracle Cloud Compute instances with boot volume backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.